Okay, so now let's talk about the DC analysis, okay, of diode. DC analysis of diode. Okay, so basically we'll talk about the load line analysis. Okay, load line analysis. This is load resistance. This is the diode with diode voltage VD and diode current ID. This is voltage V, this is current. Okay, now KVL, we are applying KVL in this loop. So negative of V plus VD plus ID into RL, this is equals to 0, so this is the KVL. So V is equals to VD plus ID into RL. Okay, so this is the load line equation. Okay, now if I draw the current, okay, versus the voltage, so this is ID versus VD. Now so this is the Q point, this is the V dq. Okay, and this is the V. Okay, now on VD axis we have ID is equals to 0 and V is equals to VD. On ID axis VD is equals to 0 and V is equals to ID into RL. So we will talk about the two cases. When first is that V is fixed. Okay, the first case is that if V is fixed and RL1 and RL2, sorry, RL1 is more than of RL2, so in that case I will say that for the calculation purpose we can use that this kind of pattern. Okay, so this is the for the calculation purpose, okay, only. So this is what, this is VD and this is ID, okay, and here so this is V, this is V new, okay. I will say this is Q2 and this is the Q1, okay, and this is V by RL1, this is V by RL1, V by RL2, okay. So this is the load line analysis, and for the V is fixed, okay. Next is that RL is fixed, V is varying, okay. VD, this is ID, okay. And here V1 by RL1, V2 by RL2, here this is V2, this is V1, and this is the V new voltage, okay, and this is the Q1 and this is Q2, okay. So this is all about the analysis, okay, of the load line, okay. So what we have done till now, I can say that this is so here what we have done, we have just we basically know the forward biasing, okay, generally in such a way like this, okay. But for the calculation purpose we can use this kind of pattern, okay. So that we have just considered that if your input voltage is varying or your load resistance is varying, so in that case we can say that the kind of Q values or the load line analysis is this, okay. So I hope you understand all the things, so you can end this. Thank you.